I'm back with a Lowland single malt. It's another edition of Lochlea. This is the Ploughing edition, and it also says first crop single malt Scotch whiskey matured in, oh, this might be interesting. Matured in ex-Isla barrels and peated quarter casks, non-chill filtered and no color added. Lochlea Distillery in Ayrshire, Scotland, 46% ABV. This may prove to be quite interesting with the peated casks and the quarter casks. There's a bunch of fine print on here, and it's really hard to read because there's like a herringbone pattern behind it and a small letters. I can't read that. So unless it's somewhere else written down, I can't read it. It's quite light looking. There's our Lochlea with the herringbone pattern once again. And I don't know why they have to make it so hard to... No, this is too confusing to try and read. I'm sorry. I just don't have it in me. This will take a prominent position on the wall behind me. I think maybe it's most important to just try this. Oh wait, maybe it's written on here too. Oh yes, maybe this is it. Okay. Lochlea is an independent, family-owned distillery in the heart of Ayrshire, Scotland. We grow our own barley, distill our unique spirit, and mature all of our casks on site. We are focused on crafting an outstanding whiskey for everyone to enjoy. Our local ingredients, process, and maturation combine to offer a distinctive style of Scotch whiskey that we love and hope you will too. Distilled, matured, and bottled in Scotland. Lochlea Distillery, Ayrshire, Scotland. Government warning, 46% ABV. Herringbone pattern, and yeah, I think that's going to be interesting with the ex-Isla and quarter cask peated casks. I'm already thinking of things like the Shelter Point smoke. What's it called? Smoke Point. I wonder if it will turn out similar to that. I've liked every other edition of Lochlea that I've tried. They have all been very nice whiskeys. Ooh, that was a loose cork. Well, here we go. Tiny wee bit more. There we go. Let's give this a... Okay. Yeah. Oh yes. Right away. Oh. This is going to be delicious, I think. Just on the nose, I'm getting wood, oak and peat smoke. Oh yes. A bit of barn board. Very similar effect to Shelter Point's Smoke Point, or those other ones that they had, those ones that were from an Ardbeg, ex-Ardbeg cask. Oh, this is going to be just nice. Ex-Isla peat and quarter cask, and that beautiful Lochlea distillate. Oh, this is going to be wonderful. I'm already loving the aroma. Peat smoke and wood and a hint, just a hint of citrus, indistinct citrus. It's kind of lemon, lime, and orange all mixed in together. And a little bit of tar. Oh, this is beautiful on the nose. I love that peated, that subtle peated aroma. It's not in your face peat, it's subtle. So it's going to be a gentle distillate, and yeah, I've had this cough for over a week now. There's always a lot of phlegm that comes with it too. But it's not affecting my nose, and it's not affecting my flavor or my taste. So that's okay. It's just coughing and phlegm. Ah, this is just lovely. There's some creosote. If anything, there's more creosote than tar. There's more creosote than anything else. Definitely lots of creosote. More creosote also than citrus, but there's still citrus. Oh, now quite a bit of orange. Okay. Citrus leaning towards orange. It's a good thing that I'm still nosing this before taking a sip, because this is giving it a chance to change in the glass before I taste it. Yeah, definitely orange. So orange and a bit of creosote and a bit of wood. Let's taste it. Oh. Oh. I'm going to have another taste. This is wonderful. Slippery alkaline mouthfeel. And it transitions to a spicy, peaty, fills the mouth with orange, creosote, spice, probably spice from the quarter casks, and a little bit of espresso in there, and orange. And it just sticks to the tongue. It stays there. It's hanging on. It's hanging on. This has got a nice, long, smoky, woody, orangey finish. This is probably the finest Lochlea I've ever tried. And I've had about 4 or 5 of them, I think. I'd have to count. I'd have to go back on the videos and count. Oh. See if I get anything more out of it. This is lovely as is. What a wonderful whiskey. It would be a nice whiskey without the quarter cask and without the ex-Isla. But oh, what a nice effect. Oh, it just coats the mouth with wood and smoke and orange and a hint of espresso. Oh, what a fine whiskey. I like this a lot. I have liked other editions of Lochlea, but this Ploughing edition first crop is just marvelous. I am definitely going to enjoy the rest of this bottle as the fill level goes down. Oh yes. Oh, what did it cost before I go away? I know I ordered this online from Alberta, and Lochlea Ploughing Edition First Crop, 46% ABV, quantity 1, $64.99. So $65 plus about another $15 shipping, handling, and taxes. So we're talking about $80. I would say this is definitely worth $80. Yes, I highly recommend every edition of Lochlea that I have tried, but this one I recommend even higher. That's the Ploughing Edition First Crop. Sluncheva.
Food Quig.
Food Quig.
Food Quig.
Food Quig.
Food quick.
Yeah.